Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and today is the last day of the cruise. And yeah, you know what that means. We had to pull ourselves together because, I mean, come on, there's definitely more cruising coming. So I'm going to take you in to show you the Seize the Mic. This was a really exciting and upbeat entertainment that is almost 100% performed by the passengers. That's right, we get to be the entertainment. Here's a little look at the cruise director and the entertainment staff giving it their all. And we also say goodbye to our dining room staff. Come on, join us for the fun. I was telling you about this Seize the Mic event. I'm going to let our cruise director tell you about it.
To Seize the Mic. My name's Mike. I'm your cruise director. Let me get a big old how you doing? I'm doing fantastic. And today, I should say, is all about your fellow guests. These guests have been working day and night. They auditioned. You are the ones who actually chose them to come up here on stage here today.
I'm going to give you a quick peek at all of these. We start off with our entertainment staff kind of showing us the ropes, giving us the moves on how things flow. Then we went into our first performance, and it was a group, and they were singing Dancing Queen. Our next performer was this gentleman talking about the jailhouse rock. He was moving and grooving. Good job, sir. Our next group, well, this young lady, she came out twice. She started off first with I Want to Dance with Somebody, and she can sing. Whitney would be proud. All right, we'll see her again later. This is our entertainment staff again, and they were doing the bye bye bye. There's some smooth moves up here. I don't know. We were clapping and singing and dancing right along with them. This was a lot of fun. Okay, so then our next performer, Bon Jovi's Halfway There. Here she is again. She did a little costume change, singing Proud Mary. You go, girl. And our final performer, he wrapped it all up singing My Way. It was really a lot of fun. Great talent on board the ship. So our final day of the cruise before we have to disembark came back after a beautiful brunch, and then we did a special tribute. But here is our little heart. And then they gave us some thank you gifts. Parting is such sweet sorrow. At the final dinner this evening, we made sure to appreciate our dining room staff. They treated us so well. See you later, guys. Oh my.
Come on, statue. Says you don't put your head in my way.
Oh gosh, I did, Tiffy. This is right from my porthole. About 5 o'clock in the morning, and here we go. Welcome to New York. Here is a look at our room right before it is time to get out of here. We decided to do our own assist, meaning we're taking our bags off ourselves. We decided to purchase this through Carnival, where they have a bus that takes you. They had a new system, and it was so chaotic. I didn't show you that, but anyway, let's go. Final moments, leaving New York. Standing in line for the bus to LaGuardia. She's a beautiful ship. I don't care what anybody says. I enjoyed my time on the Venezia, and she is a beautiful ship, not the normal Carnival ship. airport and I'm waiting for my flight. So I decided to stop at New York Creperie. That sounded really good to me. Let me show you what I got. This one is a Nutella crepe with bananas and strawberries. Doesn't that look delicious? And then I got a peppermint mocha latte. You have to cut it with a knife. It's so thick and delicious. That is delicious. Fresh and hot. I waited about 4 minutes. The crepe is tender. It's stuffed full. This is delicious. So if you enjoy crepes, I'm gonna recommend this bad boy. It's time to eat. It's a great way to sign off for this series. I thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have watched the entire series, including our Universal Studios time. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and we will catch you at the next adventure. Here is that special invitation. I would love for you to join us on our Coffee Beans and High Seas group cruise. This is a specialty group cruise exclusively for you. I'll leave the link down in the description below that gives you more information if you are interested and how you can be a part of this exclusive group.